How to delete memories on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete saved memories from your Snapchat account using an iPhone or Android device. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over and open Snapchat, and after that you'll be able to see this icon over here. So you gotta simply click on it. And over here, you'll be able to see all of your memories. So now if you wish to delete memory, what you got to do is simply long press on a specific picture and you'll be able to see that that specific picture has been selected. Now, if you wish to bulk delete memories, that means that if you wish to delete a number of memories at the same time, you gotta simply select them, and once you do so, you gotta click on delete over here. So simply click on delete, and after that they'll say that delete 5 snaps, and then you'll be able to see that those memories have been deleted. So that is basically how you can permanently delete saved memories from your Snapchat account using an iPhone or Android device. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.